Hey YouTube, it's Motorola Frequency here, and I just gotten my new antenna, a TRAM 1480. And currently it's actually in my room. I'm supposed to put it in my attic. Right now, but I need to get the correct feed line, because this is just TV cable, which really it sucks. This antenna is supposed to be 8 feet 4 inches when everything's put together properly. Now, if you're hearing that, and if it sounds really clear, this antenna actually is pretty good. I'm gonna take it out and put my other antenna in. See how it's got fuzziness behind it? Let me put it back. Here's the difference. And, if I had the proper cables, I would be even clearer. So, as soon as I get it up in the attic and get the feed line, I will make another video of the performance of this antenna. And I currently have no news on this head that I need still anything about it. I'd be much happier. This is Motorola Frequency is clear.